Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering if there's a real way to break free from financial constraints? Imagine transforming your income in just 30 days. Welcome to the Millionaire Partner System, a breakthrough that might be the key to your financial freedom. In today's digital age, opportunities for generating significant income online are greater than ever before. But how do you know what really works? This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a comprehensive, proven system designed to transform your income within just 30 days. So, what exactly is the Millionaire Partner System? It's a cutting-edge digital product offering a structured blueprint for generating substantial income. Created by successful entrepreneurs, this system provides you with the tools, knowledge, and step-by-step guidance to help you earn money quickly and efficiently. At its core, the system focuses on leveraging partnerships with businesses that offer high-ticket products and services. You partner with companies, earning significant commissions for every sale, without needing to create your own products or services. The system is built around three essential principles: affiliate marketing, strategic partnerships, and automation and scaling. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote high-ticket items, earning substantial profits from each sale. Strategic partnerships take it a step further, teaching you how to build lasting relationships with high-performing businesses. Automation is key. The system provides resources and tools to automate many aspects of the business, from email marketing to lead generation. Why does the Millionaire Partner System work? It's based on proven strategies used by experienced entrepreneurs to build their own wealth. You don't need to be an expert. The system offers step-by-step guidance, making it accessible for beginners and experienced marketers alike. When you join, you're not just buying a course. You're joining a community of like-minded individuals with access to coaching, mentorship, and support. Focusing on high-ticket products means you can make substantial money with fewer sales, seeing results much faster. Many users have reported generating their first high-ticket sale within weeks, transforming their income in just 30 days. Who is this system for? It's ideal for anyone wanting to create substantial income without creating their own products or services. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a 9-to-5 worker, or an entrepreneur, this system offers the tools you need to succeed. Ready to get started? Purchase the system, follow the training, set up your partnerships, and start promoting and earning. Don't wait. Invest in yourself and your financial future today with the Millionaire Partner System. Transform your income and achieve financial freedom. For that, please click below and get access for free training.